Wondering if silver gloves are right for you? We've put them to the test to find out. Without gloves on, heat is always escaping your hands, which can be dangerous if you suffer from Raynaud's disease. That's where silver gloves come in. Made with 8% silver fibre, these gloves reflect your heat back onto your hands, providing more warmth than plain wool gloves. Without extra bulk, your fingers stay nimble, letting you carry on with all your things you'd normally need to do around the home. And you can bring that warmth with you outside as you go about your day. When the weather really starts to dip in the coldest months, the thin profile of silver gloves makes them great as glove liners. Simply slip them into your big winter gloves for some extra warmth. Silver fibre has plenty to offer on top of its warming benefits as well. Since silver is a conductive metal, the gloves work great with most touchscreens, including phones and tablets. Silver naturally kills germs as well, helping to protect you while you're out in the world. Wondering if you can get even more silver than 8% silver gloves? We have gloves available with up to 12% silver fibre, providing even more warmth with even less bulk. Any tips for keeping your hands warm or have experience using silver gloves for Raynaud's disease? Let us know in the comments section below.